Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I would like to share with you, I'm going to try to do a power hour to see how much I can get done within an hour. It's right after the weekend, so I just want to go through and tidy up the hot spots of the home that had the most traffic and get a few loads of clothes in. So I'm starting here in the kitchen. I feel so accomplished when my kitchen is clean. I feel like I can move on with my day. Comment below and let me know what your favorite room is in the home, or which one you feel like you have accomplished your day or your mission. Mine is the kitchen. I feel like if I get 1 or 2 loads done once or twice a week, I have done a great job, because if I do anything less, this clothes will pile up here in the home, so I do try to do that. Because I'm doing power hour, I didn't want to stop my cleaning to go put everyone's laundry in their rooms, so I left them here in individual piles, so whenever they get home, they can put them up. This particular bathroom right here is a hot spot, so I do like to keep this one tidy and wiped down as well. After I finish with the toilet brush and cleaning it out, I do go back and disinfect this sink completely and wipe everything down. I'm just here in the entryway, just wiping everything down. I try to go through at least once a week and wipe all the light switches and doorknobs down. I just feel like that eliminates so much extra germs through the home. Now I'm here in my living space. I'm going to go through and dust down the furniture because it really needs to be dusted, and disinfect and Febreze. I know it may be a bit weird for some, but I Lysol my floor because my children are always hanging out, laying down on the floor with their blankets and pillows. So I do like to go through and just spray a nice bit of Lysol, try to kill as many germs and bacteria as possible. Since this is a power hour and not really a super deep cleaning of the living room, I go through with just a damp cloth with nothing on it but just warm water and wipe down the leather and the couches on the love seat and the chair here. I find that it just removes the immediate dirt that hasn't sunk into the leather. And on my deep days, I do clean and condition the leather when I deep clean that living room. at this point, I was cracking all the windows just so the home could air out just for a bit. Well, if you guys enjoyed this power hour with me, please give me a big thumbs up. I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me on this beautiful video. And if you enjoy rocking out with me on this type of videos, please subscribe at this time. I want to say thank you for watching, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye for now.